So I'm a happy boy. I have a new toy, the GKS 12 volts. Okay, it's a battery operated circular saw, mini circular saw. I bought this also, but this is an optional item. And I will use this with a guide rail, which is also optional. The Bosch FSN800. So what this does is, it helps you basically cut wood, but straight. So you put this on the rail, and then the rail will guide you. So now, when you buy the FSN800, when you use it the first time, you have to cut this anti-splinter rubber guard. Okay, and that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this first, so that every time I use it, it's gonna match the size of my saw. Okay. Okay, so first we set the depth to about 10 mm, and we do our first cut. And then, of course, once it's set, you put on the guide rails. Just make sure that the guide rails are square. There are numbers here, so you can just align them so that the guide rail is straight. And then battery. And of course, also read the instruction manual. Maraming safety tips here. And of course, we wear our safety equipment. Okay, so that's it, no? I was able to trim this rubber splinter guard. I can use it now.